Are you thinking about getting a dog? So here are some essential steps before you get a dog. Step 1, research and choosing the right breed. So each dog has its characteristics. So hindi porket cute ang dog, perfect yan for you. So aralin nyo muna ano yung breed niya, kung malaki siya, maliit siya, ano yung living situation, yung nakatira ba kayo sa bahay or sa condo. So, really makes a big difference. So kami, we got Tofu. She's already 3 years old kasi hypoallergenic siya. Step 2, understand dog care and maintenance. We live a very active lifestyle. Every morning and afternoon, we bring her out for poop and then every 3 hours pinapawiwi to. So paano ka ba mag-care sa dog? Kung hindi mo kaya alagaan sarili mo, better yet, wag muna ang aso. Create a schedule for feeding, for walking, for grooming. Step 3, of course, importante yung financial planning. So when you get a dog, consider hindi lang yung pag-purchase ng dog, mahal or mura, pati magkano ba yung monthly maintenance cost yun ng food. In terms of food, mga 1,000 pesos. So the bigger the dog, mas mahal. Of course, depende rin kung ano yung pinapakain nyo sa kanila. Also with ano yung mga care niya, yung toothpaste, yung vitamins, and then yung grooming niya. So in her case, every other month, 700 pesos. This is a big financial commitment to your dog. So wag kang kukuha kung hindi mo pa-afford. It's actually commitment and emotional preparedness. Maybe before we got a dog, I made everybody commit na meron kaming schedules to walk the dog, sino ang mag-feed, sino mag-feed. Kasi parang tao lang yan, inaalagaan. But, it's all worth it kasi she really gives a lot of happiness in the family.